Hello children, welcome back to English class. In today's session, we will be doing English 1, Poem 3, Spring. Okay, the poem was written by Thomas Nash. But spring, about spring, we have already read in our previous first poem, March, right? The spring season will be, how people will start enjoying. Okay, when the spring season will come? When will the spring season come? After the winter season, right? After the winter season, you have the spring season where the mountains, the grasslands, everything will be covered completely in snow. And after the winter season, once all the snow starts melting and it starts fading away, the freshness of the greenery, green grass starts coming out, and people start coming out of their houses. Even the cattle's house, everyone will start gather, and everyone will gather and enjoy the sun, right? They like to see the clear sky, right? We read all about this in the March poem. And same thing, it's something similar to this. Again, we'll be reading the similar thing in the poem Spring. I'll read out. Kindly open your textbook, page number 33. Okay? Spring, the sweet spring, is the year's pleasant king. Then blooms each thing, then maids dance in a ring. Cold doth not sting, the pretty birds do sing. Cuckoo, jug jug, pooey, to wit-a-woo. The palm and may make country houses gay. Lambs frisk and play, the shepherds pipe all day. And we hear birds tune this merry lay. Cuckoo, jug jug, pooey, to wit-a-woo. The fields breathe sweet, the daisies kiss our feet. Young lovers meet, old wives a sunning sit. In every street, these tunes are yours to greet. Cuckoo, jug jug, pooey, to wit-a-woo. Spring, the sweet spring. Thomas Nash. So here the poet Thomas Nash, he is again trying to tell how beautiful the nature is in the spring. So he is telling the spring, the sweet spring, the year's pleasant king. So in the whole year, the spring season is the one which is very pleasant, just like the king. It is very nice. Okay, he is enjoying the spring season. It is very sweet and pleasant. Then blooms each thing, then maids dance in a ring. So now this is the time. This is the time where all the flowers, they start blooming, right? Because the winter would have passed off. After the winter, spring season comes. So now the grass, the flowers, everything starts blooming. There is a lot of greenery around the place. So it's really very, very beautiful to see. And in this time, the maids, they dance in a ring. They say the maids dance in a ring. So since it is all greenery there, people go work in a field. Yes, no, in the March poem we heard, no, the oldest and the youngest are working with the strongest. So same way, everyone are working in the field and enjoying the work and enjoying the warmth of the sun. Cold doth not sting, the pretty birds do sing. So here the coldness of the winter, it does not sting. Doth is what children? Doth is does. In the same way you had in March poem, right? Doth means does. Now the coldness of the winter is not stinging our skin. It's not stinging our bodies. But even the birds, they have come out and they started chirping. They started singing. So how do the birds sing? Each bird has their own way of singing, right? So it's cuckoo, jug jug, pooey, to wit-a-woo. So he's just telling the way the birds are singing. So people are coming out and people are enjoying, people are feeling the warmth of the spring and they're dancing in the fields. And this is the poet is saying that this is the most pleasant time of the year. The palm and may make country houses gay. So palm, there's a palm trees, you all know palm trees, huge palm trees. Palm and may, here may is a hawthorn flower. It is a flower which comes in those particular areas. Okay, and this flower, it is a type of tree which has a red or white flowers. Okay, it has a red or white flowers which often grow beside the country roads and they have red berries in them. Okay, so it is a type of tree which has flowers with red and white. So the palm trees and this may trees, it is grown everywhere. Now it is seen everywhere and it's very nice. It's filled the country completely with it, and gay. Gay is nothing but cheerful. Okay, it as though when someone looks at it, it feels that the whole place is very cheerful. It is very nice. Lambs frisk and play, the shepherds pipe all day. So lambs are nothing but the younger ones of goat. They frisk, that is they jump and run about playfully, right? The younger ones, be it a pup or a lamb or any younger ones, the calves, they keep jumping, they can't stay in one place, they keep jumping from here and there, right? Same with the lambs and all the animals, the younger ones, they are jumping and running about playfully, because in winter they all were inside a shelter, right? They couldn't go out at all. Now it's all greenery everywhere, it's very nice, the nature is very warm, it's not very cold, it's warm now. The sun, you can feel the warmth of the sun, it is nice. So all have gone out, the shepherds, okay, even the shepherds are also playing with their pipe, even they are enjoying the music, they are playing the pipe and they are seeing the warmth and they are enjoying the spring season. And we hear birds tune this every day. So when all of them, the shepherds are what? The one who take care of the cattle, okay, they are called shepherds. Even they are, when they are taking all these cattle for grazing, okay, when they are taking the cattle for grazing, even the these lambs and all other cattle, they are enjoying in the field, and all these young ones are jumping from place to place, and the shepherd is playing the tune. Along with the shepherd, even the birds are matching with the tune of the shepherd, and they are also singing and enjoying themselves. The field breathes sweet, the daisies kiss her feet. So now they can see all the flowers coming, okay, the daisies, they have come down. The way they are standing, they come down. That means all the flowers, they can see the whole grassland is covered with flowers, and even the grass, the field, everything, you have a very beautiful smell. The smell of the flowers, the smell of the grass, the field, the whole field, it smells very, very good and smells fresh. Young lovers meet old wives a sunny sun. So now people started gathering around. Now in winter, you can't gather much because of the very cold weather. So people were not gathering much. Now people started coming out of the house. They started gathering. They started meeting each other. And old wives, the ladies, they are coming out and they are sitting together for a chit chat. In every street, these tunes are yours to greet. Cuckoo, chuk chuk, wee, tu. Now, in every street, in winter, all these birds were inside their nest. Now, in winter, in each and every street, all the birds, they started coming out. They have come out, and in each street, you can hear, whichever street you go, you can hear the birds singing their pleasant, sweet song. Spring, the sweet spring. So, the poet is saying that the spring is really sweet because the winter is very dull, right? People don't go out, you can't hear the birds sound, you can't hear anyone playing any music much, right? All are inside their house in a cozy way, and they are kept to make sure they are warm around. They are warm enough, they don't go around outside. Now, since the winter is gone, all the snow is melted away, the spring season has come, the sky is clear, okay? Now, they are really feeling happy about the nature. They can see the nature very colorful, full greenery around. The cattle, they have come outside, they start playing, they get started grazing around. The young ones of the cattle, they started jumping around, playing around. Even the shepherds, they are also playing some music. Birds, all the varieties of birds, they have come out. Now they are singing their own songs. Each and every bird started singing their own song in each and every part of the street. And all these people, they started gathering around, and they started sitting and chit-chatting. They started enjoying the warmth of the sun. They started smelling the cool air. They started smelling the warm air. Now they can smell the flowers, the grass, everything which was covered in thick snow, which was odorless. Now everything is melted away. The snow is completely melted away, and you can see the nature full colorful and sweet scent. Okay, so this is all about the spring. The poet is really enjoying spring. There are so many nature poets, as I told you, like William Wordsworth. These poets are also writing about the experience. They are also ending their experience in their own way. Okay, how they are enjoying the season. Okay, children. Now kindly read the poem and open your textbook, page number 35. We will do the textbook exercise part of it. Page number 34, this will go in your classwork, okay, and page number 35, second one, okay, write 6 to 8 sentences about that we can see, hear, smell and feel in spring. This you have to do it yourself, children, okay. You have to write this as your own experience. Try to write it in a homework book. Do it as your own experience, okay. We want to see how you will feel it. Now, third one, work with your partner and do this exercise. If winter dash, right, comes here, can spring be far behind? This is an English proverb. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? That is your English proverb. Write this, an English proverb. Next, it says, don't worry that difficult days has come. Pleasant days will follow. In this poem, winter, right, winter here is over. Spring, right, spring here has come. The poet is excited by the changes it has, right, has brought with it. He brings out the pleasant experiences of the senses in the spring. So write like this only, children, in a split handwriting. How many dashes are there? You have to write each letter in the particular dash. Okay, children? This is how you have to do. So this completes your poem. Okay, this completes your poem Spring. This is just a small poem, just like your poem what you had, right? Just like the previous March poem. This is also a poem which is written by one of the nature poet, Thomas Nash. Okay, he is just explaining the experience of the spring season. Okay, the feelings how he felt. He's written in his own words, just like the March poem. William Wordsworth wrote his experiences about the spring poem. Same way, even Thomas Nashville, even he is also telling the experiences of his experiences about the spring season. How wonderful the spring is, how cherryful the spring is, you know, how fresh the whole atmosphere is, how much colorful the nature is. There is greenery everywhere and people are smiling, dancing, working together, gathering around, taking the warmth of the sun. Not only humans, including the animals, birds, everyone are enjoying the nature after a long winter. Okay, so in the winter they were all closed themselves, right? So after this, now they are all set free and they are enjoying the pleasantness of the nature. So this is a sweet poem and a very small poem. Kindly read the poem, children. If you have any doubts, please do note it down and ask me in the interactive session. Okay? Thank you, children.